Have you ever wondered if there's a secret recipe to boost your sex drive? Is there a connection between what you eat and your energy in the bedroom? What if simple foods like nuts, chocolate, or even bananas could make a huge difference? Curious about which foods can spice things up naturally without relying on pills or supplements? Believe it or not, 30 foods can naturally give your libido a serious boost. And this isn't just some old wives' tale. According to a 2019 study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, certain nutrients, like zinc, antioxidants, and healthy fats, are key players when it comes to supporting your sexual health. One study even showed that men with a higher intake of foods rich in antioxidants had significantly better erectile function compared to those who didn't. And ladies, these foods work their magic on your sex drive too. So, stick around because in this video, I'm revealing the top 30 foods that can help boost your libido naturally. No fancy pills, just nature's best. Whether you're looking to spice things up or simply support your overall health, these foods can have some pretty exciting benefits. Before we get into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future health tips. Let's kick things off with the first category: fruits. Fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can improve your overall health and your sexual desire. Here are some of the best ones. Number 1 is watermelon, often referred to as nature's Viagra. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow to certain parts of the body. Number 2, avocados. Rich in folic acid and vitamin B6, avocados help regulate hormone levels and give you that much-needed energy boost. Aztec culture even referred to the avocado tree as the testicle tree for a reason. Number 3, bananas. Bananas contain bromelain, an enzyme that's been shown to increase libido and reduce impotence. They're also packed with potassium, which helps regulate your energy levels. Number 4, figs. Figs have been symbols of fertility for centuries. They're rich in amino acids, which are crucial for improving sexual stamina and libido. 5, pomegranate. This superfruit is loaded with antioxidants, which boost blood circulation and can help increase sensitivity and arousal. Studies even suggest that drinking pomegranate juice can improve testosterone levels in both men and women. Next up, nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses are full of nutrients that can enhance your sex drive. Number 6, almonds. Almonds are a rich source of zinc, selenium, and vitamin E, all of which support sexual health. Zinc plays a vital role in producing testosterone and improving libido. Number 7, walnuts. High in omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts can boost dopamine levels in the brain, which helps increase pleasure and satisfaction. Number 8, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium and zinc, which are essential for testosterone production and sexual performance. Number 9, flax seeds. Flax seeds contain lignans, a type of antioxidant that can help balance hormone levels in women and improve libido in men. Time to add some spice, literally. These spices aren't just for flavoring your food. They've been used for centuries to enhance sexual desire. Number 10, saffron. This exotic spice has been shown in several studies to improve sexual performance. A 2012 study published in the journal Human Psychopharmacology found that saffron improved erectile function in men and increased arousal in women. Number 11, ginger. Ginger improves blood flow, which can increase sensitivity and desire. It's also a great anti-inflammatory, keeping you feeling good overall. Number 12, cinnamon. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent crashes in energy and improve sexual stamina. Let's move on to veggies. You might not think of vegetables when it comes to enhancing your libido, but these leafy greens and other vegetables can make a real difference. Number 13, spinach. High in magnesium, spinach helps reduce inflammation and increases blood flow, two factors that can improve sexual performance. Number 14, asparagus. Asparagus is rich in folate, which helps increase the production of histamine, necessary for a healthy sex drive in both men and women. Number 15, beets. Beets are high in nitrates, which help increase blood flow and endurance. Beet juice, in particular, is known to boost stamina. Number 16, broccoli. Broccoli contains high levels of vitamin C, which improves blood circulation and may even improve female libido. Proteins play a major role in energy and hormone production. Here's how these protein-rich foods can help your sex drive. Number 17. Eggs. Rich in vitamins B5 and B6, eggs help balance hormone levels and reduce stress, both of which are important for maintaining a healthy libido. Number 18. Salmon. Salmon is full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and circulation. Better circulation means better sexual function. Number 19. Oysters. Oysters are legendary when it comes to boosting libido. They're packed with zinc, which is critical for testosterone production and sexual health. Number 20. Chicken. Lean proteins like chicken are high in arginine, an amino acid that increases blood flow and improves stamina. Ready for dessert? These sweet treats are not just delicious. They've got libido-boosting properties too. Number 21. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains phenylethylamine, a chemical that induces feelings of excitement and well-being. It also increases serotonin, which boosts your mood and libido. Number 22. Honey. Rich in boron, honey helps regulate estrogen and testosterone levels. It's also known to boost energy. Number 23. Dates. Dates are packed with amino acids that increase stamina and help maintain a healthy sex drive. Let's not forget what you drink. Certain beverages can have a significant impact on your sexual energy. Number 24. Red wine. In moderation, red wine has been shown to enhance blood flow and improve sexual function. But remember, too much alcohol can have the opposite effect, so stick to just one glass. Number 25. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins, which improve blood flow and burn belly fat, both essential for a healthy libido. Number 26. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is full of antioxidants that improve blood circulation and boost testosterone levels. And last but not least, let's round it out with a few more foods that can make a difference in your love life. Number 27. Goji berries. Goji berries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine to increase stamina and sexual energy. They're known as the happy berry for a reason. Number 28. Maca root. Maca is an ancient Peruvian root that's been shown to enhance sexual desire and improve fertility. Number 29. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3, which improve blood circulation and hormone balance. Number 30. Pine nuts. Pine nuts are rich in zinc, which supports healthy testosterone levels and boosts your sex drive. And here's that bonus tip I promised you. To really maximize the benefits of these foods, consistency is key. Incorporate them into your daily diet, and you'll start to notice lasting improvements in your energy and libido over time. For an extra boost, try eating libido-boosting foods like dark chocolate or figs about 30 minutes before intimacy for some added excitement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments which foods you're going to try. There's plenty more health and wellness tips coming your way. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Here's to a healthier, happier, and spicier life.